In this video, we will create a new post via Python. So for that, I have the Reddit object instance and a subreddit object instance as well. This time I'm going to use this subreddit to create a new post here. It's called Pythons and Lot. It's a subreddit where people can post through their bots. So you can also do this with other subreddits, such as with a glass blowing subreddit, but let's be a good citizen and post in this subreddit here, which is designed to post these kinds of test submissions, so to say. So Pythons and lot, that is what you have to enter in here. And lot, Pythons and lot. That is the subreddit. Now let's prepare a title for the new post, such as this is my new Python bot submission. And the content will be something like, hey, I'm just trying out Python. Actually, I would suggest to make this a multi-line string. So 3 double quotes there, delete that, 3 double quotes in here. Hey, I'm just trying out Python. This is my first post. Then the way to do a submission is by referring to the subreddit where you want to submit, and then use the submit method with title and content. Or you could also say title equals to title and self text equals to content. So the first argument is title, the second is self text, that is content. And that title here is this title here. And that's it. So just run. Now let's ignore this error at the moment and just check for our submission. So I'll reload this page and go to new to filter by new posts. And if you still don't see your post, you should go to your profile and see the new posts in there. So yeah, this is my post in Pythons and lot. So it could take a while until your post is shown on the subreddit. Now, if you want to get rid of this error message, you should do what this is suggesting. So set Reddit validate on submit equal to true. So under the declaration of the subreddit, then you say subreddit dot validate on submit equals true. Run again. This will post the same post, but it didn't happen because you see what we get looks like you've been doing that a lot. Take a break for 12 minutes before trying again. So Reddit does have a limit on how often you can post, you can create new submissions on subreddits. So they do this to avoid abuse with their website. So that is a limitation that you need to consider when working with Reddit. As you see in this case, we have to wait 12 minutes. So anyway, that is the code to create new submissions on Reddit. Next, I'll show you how to create new comments, how to reply in existing submissions, existing posts. So see you in the next videos.